Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide the taskbar when it keeps appearing during YouTube Fullscreen in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is actually a really simple fix that involves restarting a key Windows process. First, you'll want to right-click anywhere on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your taskbar and system settings. From the menu that appears, click on Task Manager. This will open Windows Task Manager, which is a powerful tool that shows all the processes and programs currently running on your computer. It's essential for troubleshooting various system issues, including this taskbar visibility problem. Once Task Manager opens, you'll see a list of all active processes. Now you need to locate an entry called Windows Explorer. This is the process that controls your desktop environment, including the taskbar, File Explorer, and other visual elements of Windows. You might need to scroll down through the list to find it, as it's usually listed alphabetically among other Windows processes. After you've found Windows Explorer in the list, right-click on it. This will open a small context menu with a few options specific to that process. Among these options, you'll see one that says Restart. Click on Restart to proceed. When you do this, your screen might flicker briefly or go black for just a second or two. Don't worry, this is completely normal. What's happening is that Windows is closing and immediately reopening the Explorer process, which refreshes your entire desktop environment and resets the taskbar behavior. And that's it. The taskbar should now properly hide itself when you enter full screen mode on YouTube in Google Chrome. This simple restart of the Windows Explorer process clears any temporary glitches that were causing the taskbar to remain visible during full screen video playback. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.